guys, Coach P here, and what I'm going to do today is walk you through how I measure out all of my ingredients for my protein shake. I count my macros, so it's important for me to be able to measure everything that I'm putting into this shake so that I can meet my daily nutrient intake. I like to use a water base. Why? Because personally, I prefer to take in my macros through food and not through liquid, but it's your choice. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Ninja blender and I'm going to add some ice. I just added 1 scoop of ice and now I'll do about 6 ounces of water. Okay, so water base. Clearly I have no macros in here, no calories in here whatsoever. So the first thing I'm going to do is add spinach. I'm going to use a handful of spinach only. It gives good texture, it gives good flavoring, it's nutrient dense. I'm combining avocado with blueberries. I know it might sound a little unusual, but it's a great flavoring to pair together. I'm going to go ahead and cut my Hass avocado in half. But because all of these avocados typically come in different sizes, what I need to do is measure my Hass avocado. So I'm going to turn my food scale on. I personally like to use ounces, so I'm going to go ahead and put my avocado on my food scale. It says 2.3 ounces. Cool. Add it to my shake. But now I need to know how much the skin was. The skin was 0.3 in ounces. So I'm going to subtract 0.3 from 2.3. That's pretty easy. I have 2 ounces of avocado in my shake. Next, I need to add some carbohydrates. I'm going to use a banana, but I'm only going to use half a banana. Why? Well, because I plan to add other ingredients in my shake that also contain carbohydrates, and that's just my choice. But of course it's up to you, and if you're familiar with flexible dieting, then you know these are all choices that you can make for you yourself. Next, I'm gonna add some blueberries. I need to measure out my blueberries. I'm gonna add a plate onto my food scale and clear out my food scale to 0. Let's say I would like to add 2 ounces of blueberries to my shake. 2 ounces. This is 2 ounces of blueberries. I'll pour them into my shake. So all of my main ingredients have been added to the shake. I'm gonna blend it up now. I forgot the most important ingredient, and it's the protein. It came with a scoop, so I'm gonna add 1 scoop of protein. Okay, perfect. So now everything has been blended together in my Ninja. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my glass. I mentioned that I was only using half of a banana because I wanted to add carbohydrates later. That's because I really like granola and I like to add texture to my shakes. For half a cup, it's 45 grams of carbohydrates. But what if I don't want 45 grams of carbohydrates? I already put half of a banana in my shake. So I'm going to cut that serving size in half. So instead of half of a cup, I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup. And boom, there you have it. Protein shake. I have the carbs that I need for my particular macronutrient calculations, as well as the protein that I need. It's nutrient dense. I have avocado, banana, blueberries, and spinach. This is almost like a salad in a protein shake. So if you've learned anything from what I just walked you through, and you are interested in finding out what your personal macronutrient calculations are so that you can start to count your food and fuel your body for your specific lifestyle, I have a new ebook on my website. It's called Counting Macros, Fueling a Superhero Body. So click on the link below. It'll take you to my website where you'll have the opportunity to purchase this ebook. The ebook will walk you through everything, help you to understand what your lifestyle exactly needs for you to provide it with. Make sure to like my video and comment below if there are any other kinds of foods that you would like to see me portion out and help you to understand how exactly to measure your food. Peace out. See you on streethits.com.